Hello there, this is Mike Ram from Integral Marketing, bringing you affiliate tips educating beginners and intermediates in the mysteries of affiliate marketing. Marketing is the gateway to making sales. That should be obvious by now. If you get the marketing right, the sales should follow. Marketing can be defined as a process which renders redundant the whole need to sell. Therefore, using every psychological technique and being very clear about what your products are offering potential buyers, you make them aware that the products that you're selling are the ones which they need to solve the problems or answer the queries that they have in the best possible way, in the most complete way. Basically, to reiterate, go over old ground, what you're doing is reminding people that their problem is definable. The problems that they've been thinking about is definable in a certain way, and that you know exactly what their problem is. Now, if you're marketing, what you already got to do is to remind them of the pain they're in, and keep reminding them of the pain they're in, and make it hurt a bit more for them. Remind them that that pain is so intolerable, but it can be relieved. It can be dealt with, it can be sorted out, because you know exactly how to do it and what the mechanism is to do it, and you have the products. Ingenious. In real life, pain is a greater motivator than pleasure, and this should never be underestimated at any point. If you're promising people a world of heavenly delights and constantly orgasmic sights and experiences, that's all very nice. If, on the other hand, you're offering them complete salvations from every pain and illness known in the book, that's actually going to get their attention and probably their purchases of your products quicker. Because however nice it is to have pleasure, and it is very nice, that is not really the level on which we operate in our lives. We can do without a lot of the pleasures, but we can't handle life with lots and lots of pain. It becomes unbearable. So I'll give you an example. If you're on holiday 500, 1,000 miles away, and you get a phone call in the middle of the night from somebody telling you that your house is burning down, then that's going to get you up out of bed, fixing a flight home, and scurrying off to the airport as quickly as possible. If, on the other hand, you get a phone call in the middle of the night telling you that you've just become a grandparent, you're just as likely to say, well, couldn't this have waited till morning, darling? You know, it's not the pleasurable things, the happy things that are really going to motivate us. It's the unhappy things, the scary things, the depriving things that are going to get us motivated. Avoiding a sticky end rather than having a happy ending is just much more powerful, and this can't be really emphasized enough, although it is very good to offer people pleasure and lots of it. But offering people a way out of their pains and knowing what their pains amount to is really the button you have to press in order to be successful. And marketing to that with solutions for them is the way to proceed. And if you do it properly, because everybody wants to avoid as much pain as possible, then you will get people actually trusting you a little bit. You do have to show them that you can be trusted, though, because nobody really wants answers from charlatans if they're in pain. Whereas if you're promising them pleasures and you're a charlatan, yeah, they'll be disappointed, but it won't be life-threatening. And that's really it for today's message. Don't forget, it's pain that motivates more than pleasure. And if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, hit the link below to get the free product, and above all, come and watch the next one. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.